In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Yahoo account with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to regain access to an old email account, I've got you covered with the easiest way to reclaim your Yahoo account. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred web browser and head over to login.yahoo.com/forgot. This page is specifically designed to assist you in recovering forgotten accounts. Now, once you're there, you'll find a space where you can enter the Yahoo email address you want to recover. Make sure you have it right at your fingertips. Just type it into the provided field. Double check for any typos, because accuracy here is key. Next, after entering your email, you'll see an option to click on Continue. Give it a tap. This is an essential step that propels you on your journey toward accessing your account once again. Now, Yahoo prioritizes security, so the next thing you'll encounter is a CAPTCHA challenge. This is where you verify that you're not a robot. Simply follow the prompts presented. It might involve recognizing images or checking off a simple box. Take your time here to ensure you pass this verification, allowing you to proceed seamlessly. After successfully proving your human nature, the next step is crucial. Yahoo will have sent a verification code to the secondary email associated with your account. Head over to your other email address and look out for that code. Be patient, as it might take a moment for the email to arrive. Once you've got it, come back and enter the code in the designated Yahoo page to confirm your identity. The final step is a rewarding one. Now you can set up your recovered account. You'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something secure yet memorable. Avoid obvious combinations or easily guessed phrases. It's a good idea to mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and maybe a special character to increase your password strength. After you've done this, confirm your new password, and just like that, your Yahoo account will be back in your control. And there you have it, a straightforward process to regain access to your Yahoo account, all in just a few simple steps. Remember to store your updated password in a secure place to make future logins hassle-free. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you ever run into related issues again, feel free to revisit this tutorial for assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing!